Good evening, this is Jason Scott with an update on your regional and national weather forecast on this November 29, 2011. Taking a look at the northwest as the storm heads to the eastern part of Canada, the last of the rain will exit New England and Maine by Wednesday evening. Lingering rain and snow showers will extend from West Virginia to the upstate New York, with a few inches of snow possible in the mountains. Dry weather and sunshine will return to New York City, to central and eastern part of Virginia. Gusty winds linger behind a departing storm. Lows will be in the 30s and 40s, except for 50s across the eastern New England area, with temperatures below average in the western part of the mid-Atlantic, but above average over the New England, with highs ranging from the 30s and 40s over western part of the mid-Atlantic to the 50s from Virginia to Maine. Thursday will be mainly sunny over this region. In the Midwest, a storm departs the eastern part of Canada on Wednesday. The wet snow and rain showers wrap up in the lower part of Michigan and Ohio Valley. Meanwhile, a new upper level disturbance and cold front brings snow mixed with rain in some locations to the northern plains from the Dakotas into the northern part of Minnesota. Snowfall near the Canada border will accumulate between 1 and 5 inches. Breezy to windy conditions will proceed to follow the front across the plains. Lows will be mainly in the teens and 20s, except for 30s over the eastern part of the Ohio Valley, with temperatures below average in the Ohio Valley to above average in the plains and the upper Midwest. Highs will be in the 30s and 40s, except for 50s and low 60s over the central plains. Light snow will target parts of plains in the upper Midwest. Thursday will be most of the significant accumulations, though, will be in the upper part of the Michigan area. Over the west now, it looks like a new storm diving into the region will trigger snow and windy conditions across much of the interior northwest. Snowfall across Montana will be anywhere from 2 to 12 inches, with the highest accumulations in the mountains. Meanwhile, winds will be on the increase of the northern and central part of California. Into the southwest, winds will gust down the western facing slopes of the Sierra and the hills in around the San Francisco Bay Area that may reach anywhere from 50 to 70 miles per hour, causing some tree damage. Some blowing debris is also possible in this area due to the high gusty winds. Lows will range between 10 degrees and 30s over most of the interior sections to the 40s of the west of the Cascades and Sierra area. Will be in the 40s and low 50s in the southern part of the California and desert Southwest, with temperatures below average in western Montana, but average to 15 degrees above average elsewhere. Highs will range from the 20s and 40s over the northwest to the 70s in the desert southwest. On Thursday, the Santa Ana winds set up over the southern part of California, while snow shifts southward into the central Rockies and central high plains, where Denver could be seeing a significant amount of accumulations. Taking a look at the south on Wednesday, it will be dry, mainly sunny, and also high pressure is taking control over the deep south after the early morning snowfall in parts of the deep south. Any last snow showers will quickly exit the southern Appalachians early in the day on Wednesday. Southwest winds will make it breezy in the afternoon over the southern plains. Lows will be in the 20s and 30s, except for 40s and 50s over southern Texas and central and southern Florida. We'll see 60s in the Keys and 40s in the Outer Banks area. The highs will be above average in Texas and Oklahoma panhandles, but otherwise average to 15 degrees below average, with highs ranging from the 40s in the Tennessee Valley to the 70s in southern Texas and southern Florida. Thursday will be dry with partly cloudy, sunny skies with gusty winds in the southern plains. That's a look at your national and regional forecasts. Be sure to tune in to our website at extremestormcentral.com.